Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where, for some reason, your reply option within your Instagram DMs are just not working for some reason. So, if you hold down on a message, you may be able to see that the reply option is missing. Now, the main reason for this is mostly because your Instagram account may not be up to date on this specific version that supports that specific, option. So, what we want to do is we want to make our way over to our app store like this. We want to click on the search bar, and what we want to do is we want to type in Instagram just like so. So just like this, now you can see I'm basically up to date on Instagram. So if there's any updates available on your Instagram application, you want to go and open it up and you want to go and update your specific app. Now the first time that I just, installed this specific Instagram version and I actually went ahead and, actually updated it to it, there was a little pop-up that showed up on my DM page when I actually went ahead and, actually opened up my messaging page that actually told me to go ahead and update to the latest version of, the Instagram DM. Now that I actually ended up clicking not now or not update now, but you will have to go ahead and link your Instagram account to that newer method within Instagram to actually go ahead and actually utilize these types of DMs and to actually reply to a specific comment. So in this specific case, here's my other Instagram account on this specific same phone, same application, same everything. And you can see that if I actually go ahead and hold down on a message, not only do I get a different layout, I get more emojis and everything up here, I can react to messages, but I also see the more option and I see the reply option. It's because this account was updated to that specific panel. So if you get that little pop-up and you click not now, you may have to delete your Instagram application from your phone, go ahead and reinstall it, log in with your same account, and you should see that pop-up come up then. So now you will be able to see that pop-up. You can click, change now. You'll have to change to that newer method. And then here you can go and click reply. You can reply to secret messages. You should be able to turn on vanish mode by going down there. You can click out of it by clicking out here. And that's pretty much how to do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.